In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create easting and northing coordinates in AutoCAD. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end you'll be able to visualize and label the coordinates on your drawing with clarity and precision. To begin with, let's start by creating a point in AutoCAD. This will be the reference point for which we'll generate the easting and northing coordinates. Once you've created this point, it's crucial to ensure it stands out clearly on your layout. To do this, we will modify the point style. You can easily change the point style by using the command ptype. This will bring up a menu that allows you to select from a variety of predefined styles, so choose one that you find suitable for easier visibility on your project. Now that our point is set and clearly visible, we need to add a text box, and this involves a simple process of placing text on your drawing, which will eventually display the coordinates of your point. After the text box is ready, position your cursor inside the box, right-click, and select the Insert Field option. This is a powerful feature in AutoCAD that allows you to dynamically reference object properties. In the Field dialog box, navigate to the field category and select Objects. This action will tailor the options available to the properties related to objects in your drawing. Under the field name, you'll need to choose Objects again. At this point, you'll be prompted to select the object type. Click Select Object to choose the point that you've just created. This is where the magic starts to happen, as you're now linking your text dynamically to the specific point on your drawing. After you select your point, you'll need to specify the property you want to display. In this context, you'll choose the Position property. This selection determines what kind of information about the point will be shown in the text field. Now, you should be able to see a preview of the field text, displaying the coordinate information of your point. Within the preview, you have the option to select both the X and Y coordinates. These will correspond to the easting and northing values, respectively. Confirm your selection, and just like that, the coordinates are now dynamically displayed in your text box. For additional points, you can reuse this setup by simply copying and pasting both the point and the associated text. Use the Regional command in AutoCAD to refresh and update their coordinates automatically. This ensures any repositioning or changes are reflected accurately on your drawing, providing you with a seamless and efficient workflow for your projects. By following these steps tightly, you'll effectively manage your project's reference points with clarity and precision, adding another level of professionalism and accuracy to your AutoCAD projects.